Well, hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Everybody, this is Inga. She and I have formed such an incredible bond. As of late, she's just gorgeous. I love her so much. I've just been over here trying to finish up all the 5% stuff of all the projects that I had started last year. I'm like telling myself I cannot move forward with full projects until this stuff is complete. So come with me as I just tidy up a few things around the property.
First up is updating the outside of this horse stable. I'm not going to be explaining much. It's more like just clean with me, build with me, finish all the things I have left undone type of situation. But this has literally been sitting trimmed with those horseshoes upside down like this for a minute. One thing about living, in just pure sand is just when the weeds get out of control, it's kind of hard to ignore, but it takes so long to clear them. So we started doing them in sections, and the property feels so much better. Another reason why we cleared the weeds so quickly is because the group of our heavy metal hens, who I actually talk about over on my Patreon, not to brush you or anything, but I'm pursuing that on the side just to have a creative outlet. But the heavy metal girls, they run out here out of the bounds of the fence and start to weed for us. So I needed to also build a buffer to keep them in the round pen or out of the round pen type of situation, and a chicken fence. I wanted to take a quick second to tell you guys about Suri, who I've recently implemented into my morning routine. You see, I don't really have a lot of time for myself. There are so many to-dos to always get done. And so it's nice to kind of invest in myself to do a more intentional routine and some time for myself in the morning. Let me tell you more about it. Suri is on a mission to transform oral health with everyday essentials purposefully designed for life. Not only does Suri have plant-based brush heads and a free recycling program, but you also get this UVC cleaning travel case for a hygienic portable routine. It includes a magnetic mirror mount that keeps the sink cable free and a toothbrush cover, and once it's charged, it's a month plus battery life. I didn't really think that investing in a toothbrush would make me feel some type of way, but as I mentioned, I'm trying to slow down and really give myself what I deserve, specifically in the mornings, and it's really nice to do that with Suri. I'm personally a fan of the sleek design with an intentional minimalistic aesthetic, and I also love the fact that you get a powerful yet gentle dentist approved clean with the pressure sensors that support healthier brushing habits. If you guys are interested in checking out Suri for yourself, you can actually click the link or scan the QR code and use my code LIVINGTODIY with Rachel10 to get up to 30% off your Suri toothbrush today. And you'll see why I love it so much. Not only was the fence for the chicken girls, but also our little dude Bruce. He has a tendency to jump over, so I wanted to make it tall. Fun fact, he still jumps over it. I don't know how tall. I'm gonna have to make it. But anywho, we're gonna revisit the back chicken extension because how many chicken coops can we build? The answer is 5. So. Even though it's been a little bit like slightly frustrating, like piecing together just random material we have on the property, all of this, like this extension you see in the front and in the back, was all built basically off of free material on the property, minus like 2 pieces of plywood we had to purchase. I am so excited to have a clean slate of a property. Honestly, the first time we've kind of like stepped back and been like, whoa, this is not bad. It's totally livable. And also, I love the progress of the chicken corner. I will see you guys next week for another DIY. I just wanted to tidy up some things before we dive back into the living room. But I love you guys and Happy New Year.